9:05 and tumakas ang mag-asawa. Tumakas ang mommy at daddy. We're gonna have a date night. Are you happy? We might not be able to do this anymore in how many months. So, take advantage of the time and habang meron kaming cell na magtitingin. Tulog na yung dalawa. So, talagang pagod naman talaga si Seb. So, maaga siya. Anyway, papasok ko pala tong clip na to sa tomorrow's vlog kasi my vlog for today is already uploading. So, yun. Okay. So, yeah. We'll see you guys there. Kung saan man. Sa BF lang naman kami pupunta and then titingin kami along Aguirre Street ng pwedeng or magandang tambayan. Yay! Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Central, sa BF. Merong Central sa kanto namin. Pwede nag-tricycle na lang kami. Ewan ko. Napadpad pa kami dito. And natatandaan ko way back nung nagpupunta kami dito, umorder kami ng puwet ng manok. So, nagtanong kami kung meron pa. Sabi, 2007 pa daw, walang ganun. So, sobrang napag-aalatang ang tagal na namin huling nagpunta dito at uminom. Anyway, ayan si Daddy. Daddy! Hindi ka naman kita eh. So, ayan yun. So, yun. Ano lang ako, Tanduay Ice, si Daddy Red Horse. Meron kasing promo, ay wait lang, yung promo ng cocktail silang ganyan, 2 cocktail plus pulutan, kaso baka masobra-sobrahan naman eh, magdadrive si Daddy, tas ako nagpapa-breastfeed, so yun. Okay. Hi guys, time check, it's 12:16 and we are in Starbucks. Hi Daddy. Nagpapababa ng tama. I never thought 2 bottles of Tanduay Ice can give me so much happiness in my life. Anyway, yes. Naputol kasi wala na lang space. Anyway, so yun, kaya kami nandito kasi si Daddy naka-5 Red Horse. Ako 2 lang na Tanduay Ice. Pero merong effect. Kasi nga naman, di nasa na yung katawan ko. So, kailangan kong pag-uwi, kailangan ko pa mag-pump and i-dump. Itapon yung gatas na makukuha ko. Sayang. Kaya, yun. We're having white chocolate. Pero parang hindi white. Paano naging white chocolate dyan? Paano naging white chocolate dyan? White chocolate mocha. Hindi ako nagkakape ha, pero kailangan ko. Ayan. So, Daddy, did you enjoy? Huh? Did you enjoy? Diba? Dapat talaga, totoo talaga yung sinasabi nila na dapat once in a while, or may regular dapat na date nights ang mag-asawa. Kasi, ibang klase ang sayang nadadala. Tapos okay pa yung mga tugtog. Sa Central kami, diba? Yung mga tugtog pa doon, mga 90s. Sobrang mga, throwback. Saya lang. Ulit ng mga kanta. So, yun. Sana maulit-ulit to in the near future. We'll see. We'll see. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning. Hi. It's 10:11. But we've been out ako since 7 o'clock na nagising si baby. We're going to SM kasi wala nang gatas si Zep Gavin. So for today, tomorrow, and baon sa plane. 2 box ba? 2 karton. Should be enough. We'll see. And then, yun, last night was so fun. Daddy na? Last night was so fun. Parang I can't even remember when was the last time na lumabas tayo ng ganun. Kahit 2 bote lang sa akin. Ang saya-saya ko na. Ay, nako. Lasing si Mami. Ha? Nalasing si Mami. Anyway, si Zach kasi tulog. Hindi na namin sinama. Tsaka mabilis lang naman. So, yan. Good morning. Say hi. Like. Hi, guys. Hi, Daddy. He's eating Jollibee. Anyway, ano na oras na? Siguro 4:45. Ngayon ulit ako nag-vlog. Kanina, I was vlogging. We were on the way to SM. Oo, noong umaga, 10:30. And then, this happened. So, but don't you worry. It was a minor. As in, fault ni Kuya. Hindi siya nakatingin. Aminado naman siya. Hindi siya nakatingin. And kami yung nasa tama. Nasa right of way. So, merong maliit na gas-gas na halos hindi naman halata. So, pwede. Okay lang. Pero nag-offer pa rin si Kuya na kung gustong ipagawa. Carry. Anyways, and then, ngayon is already 5 plus. Ay, magpa 5 pala. Umalis ulit kami. Pumunta kami dun sa venue for tomorrow kasi dinala namin yung tarp. Siyempre lang naman bukas pa i-set up yun, diba dapat? So, morning pa lang siniset up na nila. I'm having chowking, asado, siopaw, yummy. Mamimiss ko na naman tong siopaw ng Pinas. Yung siopaw na may siopaw sauce doon kasi yung mga siopaw walang sauce. Saka iba lasa. So, yeah. Daddy's having gelato. Anyways. Agenda now is mag-empake. Meron pa ulit mga damit ni Zeb. And yung mga pagkain. So, yun lang kailangan namin tapusin. Yan, nandun sila, Zeb and si Zach kay Zeb. Kain muna tayo. Hi, guys! Hi, Zeb! Hi, Daddy! Hi, Zach! Oh, wait lang. I'm using it. Yes! Anyway, nakalimutan ko pala kahapon insert yung clip nung clips from the Xiaomi. Xiaomi yung pangalan nung parang GoPro. So, pero in fairness, maganda, malinaw yung quality. So, I'll insert the video clip so you can see it.
This means that there are marine species that can be found here in our country's waters and anywhere else. Among these, you can find fish, corals, turtles, and 25 species of marine mammals. Dugongs, dolphins, and whales are examples of marine mammals that are found in the Philippine waters. These mammals are sometimes mistaken for large fish. However, they are definitely mammals just like you and me.
Anyways, so yun, mag-good night na ako. I'm gonna end the day, or I'm gonna end the vlog right now para maaga-aga dahil tomorrow is gonna be a busy day. Nag-empake na kami, but hindi pa 100% done. Pero we needed to buy another 10 kg kasi hindi na carry. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow on Zach's Binyag by the time you watch this. Ay, hindi naman. Nakita ko na yun sa timeline. Anyways, wait lang. Mag-good night lang ako. Good night! Bye, Daddy. Say good night.
Night.
Say bye. Say good night, Zeb.
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 Mainit ulo ni Zeb. Bye-bye!